boire,
means to drink. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to drink in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the future stem and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. To get the future stem of the verb, we will apply the rule of dropping the E at the end. We have already learned this rule in earlier video. Now, we have subject pronoun, future stem, and future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will drink.
je boirai,
You will drink, in formal way.
tu boiras,
He will drink, masculine.
il boira,
She will drink, feminine.
elle boira,
We will drink, formal way.
nous boirons,
You will drink, formal way.
vous boirez,
They will drink, group of males or mixed people.
ils boiront,
They will drink, group of only females.
elles boiront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will drink a glass of water after the meal.
Je boirai un verre d'eau après le repas. Je boirai un verre d'eau après le repas.
You will drink a coffee in the morning.
Tu boiras un café le matin. Tu boiras un café le matin.
He will drink an orange juice for breakfast.
Il boira un jus d'orange au petit déjeuner. Il boira un jus d'orange au petit déjeuner.
She will drink tea to relax.
Elle boira du thé pour se détendre. Elle boira du thé pour se détendre.
We will drink milk with the cereal.
Nous boirons du lait avec les céréales. Nous boirons du lait avec les céréales.
You will drink a soda during lunch.
Vous boirez un soda pendant le déjeuner. Vous boirez un soda pendant le déjeuner.
They will drink beer at the party tonight.
Ils boiront de la bière à la fête ce soir. Ils boiront de la bière à la fête ce soir.
They will drink fruit juice by the pool.
Elles boiront du jus de fruits au bord de la piscine. Elles boiront du jus de fruits au bord de la piscine.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je boirai. Tu boiras. Il boira. Elle boira. Nous boirons. Vous boirez. Ils boiront. Elles boiront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.